Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogger Mama. Ang content po natin ngayon for today is we're making mango cheesecake. So, ang atin po gagawin ay ayan. We need to separate the flesh from the skin of the mango. So, ganyan lang po guys. Separate the mango from the skin. That's 3 mango guys I'm using, by the way. Overripe mango. So, we just had to hand blend it to make it a puree. Ngayon, mukhang hindi gumagana ang ating hand blender. So, we move on to the blender itself. That's a mini blender I have there. So, it seems like it's not gonna fit all together. I just had to put half in it first. And after I puree, I put the rest inside and puree more. Sinatugay, di ko talaga siya na-focus dyan. Minsan kasi pagpabilag nakakalimutan natin. Pag may ginagawa natin, tayo pala. We're doing it in our own. Ang hirap. So, after po natin ma-puree yan, ibabalik lang po natin on that glass bowl. Kasi dyan din naman natin imimix ang ating dry ingredient to that mango mixture. Kailangan lang po natin himurin ang natitirang konti sa blender, yung mango puree. So, moving forward, we have 2 cups of flour and a teaspoon of baking soda and teaspoon of baking powder. So after that, we just had to strain it so no more lumps. So pag atin na inailagay sa ating mango puree mixture, madali lang siyang i-mix. And then mix it slightly so yung baking soda and baking powder will be mixed all together on that flour mixture. So after that, you have to add brown sugar, 1/2 and 1/4 cup of brown sugar into that mango puree, and a 1/2 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 eggs, and then mango flavor, 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And then we just have to mix it. And then, forgot, we have 1 cup and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Any kind of brand, guys, you want to put. So you just mix it. So we have to use whisk to mix it. Kasi the spatula doesn't seem to be working that much for mixing. So after that mixing, guys, we had to add the flour gradually into the wet batter, mixture. gradually, and you have to mold it, fold it. And then put the rest of the flour, and then mix it well. Don't over mix it, guys. And then we need to add a cup of cheese. Well, I put extra in it because I sliced too much of cheese. It's more than 1 cup. And then after that, you have to butter the. So you're putting the cheese, you have to, I get the butter pan already. I put butter on our baking pan so it will not be sticking our cake when it's all done baking. So kailangan lang natin himurin ang ating cake batter into that baking pan para walang sayang, guys. So guys, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click that notification bell para po kayo ay ma-update sa tuwing ako yung may bagong video na i-upload. And click like if you like this video. And comment down below. So, ayan na guys. Hindi ko na sa inyo napakita nung inilagay ko kasi mahirap nga mag-vlog. Done. It's so delicious. Masarap siya guys, promise. At ang bang. Ang bango-bango niya. You know, nag-aagaw ang tamis sa alat ng cheese. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.